Take your embroidery to the next level with the Brother PE535 embroidery machine. It's the reliable partner you need to turn your creative visions into reality. The vibrant LCD screen allows you to preview your designs in full color before making a single stitch, and you'll have plenty of space to work with the generous 4x4 embroidery area. Choose from an abundance of beautiful built-in designs with a wide selection of lettering options, or add your own unique designs using the handy USB port. Just plug in to preview. You can edit the design right on the machine to get everything just right, changing the design position, colors, and lettering simply by touching the LCD screen. And automatic threading makes needle frustration a thing of the past. Your next creative project needs a great creative partner. Take your embroidery further with the Brother PE535 embroidery machine. Introducing the Brother SE600, the 2-in-1 sewing and embroidery machine designed to fuel your creative projects for years to come. Get more control with the So Smart Color LCD touchscreen display. Easily position your embroidery designs with just a touch of your finger. Preview thread color changes and immediately see the results on screen before stitching. Get more space to view your designs and perform on-screen edits. And get started quickly with built-in tutorials that provide on-screen sewing assistance. Jumpstart your embroidery projects with 80 high-quality built-in embroidery designs, including new applique designs and 6 built-in embroidery fonts, plus access to iBroidery.com, where you'll find thousands of ready-to-use designs, and all of them can be easily imported using the onboard USB port. Think big with an even larger workspace. Explore endless creative options with 103 built-in sewing stitches, including 10 styles of buttonholes, 7 sewing feet for zigzag, monogramming, overcasting, zippers, and more, plus advanced features like an automatic needle threading, variable speed control, and programmable needle up-down. So bring your creative sewing and embroidery visions to life with the Brother SE600 2-in-1 sewing and embroidery machine. Looking to up your embroidery game? You can bring creative ideas like these to life with ease with a Brother PE800 5x7 embroidery machine by your side. The large full-color LCD touchscreen lets you add, edit, and preview designs before making a single stitch, and includes a generous 5x7 embroidery area to bring the designs to life before your eyes. There are 138 built-in designs to choose from if you're looking for inspiration, with 11 stunning built-in fonts to help you express yourself. You can seamlessly import designs via the handy USB port and preview it on the LCD touchscreen display. You can combine multiple designs, rotate things around, and even change colors, and adjust lettering to fit your vision. Just look at those results. And of course, automatic needle threading makes things easy on you. Whether you're just getting into embroidery or you're a seasoned pro, the PE800 5x7 embroidery machine is the partner you need to create beautiful designs that pop. Want to take your creations from a great idea to a flawless execution? Use the Brother SE1900 2-in-1 machine to bring your sewing and embroidery masterpieces to life. The large LCD touchscreen allows you to add and edit embroidery designs right from the machine. There's a generous 5x7 embroidery area to work with. Choose from a wide range of 138 designs that are ready to go as soon as you turn it on, along with top-notch lettering options to add that personal touch to any piece. Have your own design you'd like to use? Easily load it in with the built-in USB port. You can edit your designs using the touchscreen. Change up the colors to suit your vision. Arrange the lettering to bring it all together. And manipulate your images and words by rotating, flipping, and resizing with just a touch. And automatic threading makes needle frustration a thing of the past. A generously sized workspace gives you plenty of room to breathe, and there are 240 built-in sewing stitches to work from. You'll also get 7 sewing feet included for adding buttons, zippers, blind hems, and more. For all things embroidery and sewing, the SE1900 2-in-1 machine has everything you could need to bring them to life.